Hi there.
What are you doing?
I've got a crack in my wall and I'm calling a handyman.
Calling a handyman for such a simple task? Do you hire someone to tie your shoelaces too?
No, but fixing the wall is a complicated job. I mean, it takes a lot of heavy machinery and I need something that's super lightweight that can fix the deeper cracks in both the inside and outside of my house.
You don't need a handyman to fix a crack in the wall. All you need is this. Just follow these 3 easy steps. Step 1. Ensure surfaces and holes are clean, dry, and free from dust and loose material. Step 2. Mix to a smooth consistency before use. Step 3. Apply from the center of the hole, working outwards to avoid dragging the filler loose from the sides. Can be applied in thicknesses up to 50 millimeters.
That was easy.
Terraco Handymate brings fun to DIY.